I think winter would have to be one of my favourite times to cook. Julia, you probably agree.
Yeah.
All of those comforting dishes, just like this one, which is from your new book.
My new cookbook.
Tell me
Yes.
about this recipe.
So it's a rice, chestnut and porcini minestra. So like a soup, we're putting some beautiful rice in there. It's so comforting. We've got these gorgeous chestnuts, which we've already prepared.
Yeah.
They take a little bit of work, but you can buy them vacuum sealed.
You can.
So when you buy them like this, you want to make sure they're nice and firm, really fresh. What I do is I put a little cross in the flat side of the chestnut. So boil them for about 30 minutes until they're really soft and tender. Once they've cooled down, you can just simply peel off. So all of this kind of husk comes away. And then they're ready to eat.
And I've just started cutting your pancetta. How do you want that cut?
Just in lardons, so yeah, about half that size. Perfect. So that's just going to sweat down. We've got some celery and onion too, which is kind of forming the base of the soup.
Okay.
So a good amount of good extra virgin olive oil. And we want it on a low heat. We don't want it to colour. We want to render out all that fat as well. So this celery is going in. Some onion.
I love this new book of yours. You know you're one of my favourite cookbook authors. You really are, because you make everything simple and so delicious. And what's unique about this new book is you've also got menus in there.
And I love putting together menus. I love having people over. So I thought in my book I would have a whole section at the end where it pulls the recipes from the cookbook and just shows how I put it together. And they're kind of all inspired by travel moments or, you know, memories growing up or just having friends over. So very seasonal, very simple, but, you know, ways to kind of elevate that everyday kind of cooking.
Yeah, a truly stunning book for sure.
Thank you. So, Jazz, we can pop that pancetta into the pan with the celery and onion. That's going to cook off for about 5 minutes. And then we can get on to the other vegetables. Would you mind chopping the potatoes?
Can do that for you, Julia.
Down with the potatoes are just starting to soften. So we've got some fresh bay leaves as well, which are just going to add so much flavour. I'm just going to give them a little scrunch to release that gorgeousness.
I love how passionate you are.
And then we've got our liquids here. So we started off with some dried porcini mushrooms and just soaked them in hot water, and that's going to go into the soup. We just want to avoid the very bottom. There's usually some sediment, some sand at the bottom. So we can add this in.
All those mushies in there. Stop now.
Yeah, I reckon that's pretty good. We're also going to add some chicken stock because it just adds a little bit of richness.
Beautiful.
All right, and now we just need to roughly chop our chestnuts. They're going into the soup.
Okay.
And after about 15 minutes, we'll add our rice, and then at the very end, some beautiful freshly chopped parsley. And that's our soup done. All right, our minestra is cooked. The last thing we need to add is some beautiful chopped parsley. If you could do that for me, Daz.
Absolutely.
And I'll just give you a look of the consistency we're looking for. It's got that beautiful rice, but it's not risotto, so you don't want it to reduce super low and thick.
Yeah.
It's still brothy. The potatoes are cooked. Once we add the parsley, it's going to be really vibrant and give it that freshness that we need, and then our soup's ready.
So good. There we go.
Amazing. Think different now. We've got that bit of green in there.
Yep. That pop of colour.
All right.
Stunning.
Should I serve it up?
Absolutely. Very much a soup from the north of Italy.
Definitely.
You know, all the pancetta in there, the mushrooms, the chestnuts.
Exactly. Yeah. So I'm going to finish it off like every good Italian dish with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And we're ready to try.
Good bowl choice too. I love it.
Be Italian. Let's try.
Okay, you first.
Oh gosh, that was so good. That parsley at the end just really lifts it. But did you get some chestnut?
I did, and it's divine because it's that pop of sweetness.
Exactly.
You've got salty pancetta, you've got woody mushrooms, that really good quality stock in there. And I'd be satisfied just with that, with some crusty ciabatta or some sourdough on the side of that.
Sure.
everything you cook is delicious.
Oh, thank you.
She's good. Jules, thanks so much for visiting.
Thanks for having me, Jazz.